Kagawad, Sangguniang Barangay. So, hindi, i-announce lang natin in this document.
Sige.
So,
Para ho sa punong barangay, yung winner na lang po.
yes. Pwede po. Ano ng ranking? Yung pool, ano?
Sa ano?
Oo. Lahat na natin.
Start mo sa winner.
Babasahin mo lang naman eh.
For punong barangay, 6th place, Medina Reynaldo, 47 votes. 5th place, Jimenez Anaculeto, 164 votes. 4th place, Abelion Teresita, 1,019 votes. 3rd place, Macaray Germinio, 1,022 votes. 2nd place, Camigla Rogelio, 1,384 votes. And the winner, top notcher, Sangga Ignacio, 1,764.
Kagawad.
Sa Kagawad po, yung top 7 na lang kasi masyado nang mararating.
38 yun, no?
Top 7. Winners for the Kagawad, Sangguniang Barangay. Let's start with the 7th place. 7th place, Behino Salvador, 1,224 votes. Behino Salvador. Number 7. Then, 7th place. 6th place, Kaong Ong.
Excuse me, pwedeng bigyan na rin natin yung vote na nila. Sinanalo.
Minention ko na po.
Hindi, so Behino sa Kagawad.
1,223 votes po. 6th place, Kaong Ong Rolito, 1,318 votes. 5th place, Pajardo Benedict, 1,343 votes.
Parang...
4th place, Parama Reydante, 1,467 votes. Third place, De Vera Raul Niño, 1,567. Second place, Rocco Lawrence Philip, 1,574 votes. And the top notcher for Kagawad sa Sangguniang Barangay, Consulta Amado, 1,745.